Hey everyone, thank you for tuning in. Today we are going to do the craft for our book club. So I started off this year by reading The Housemaid by Frida McFadden, and I wanted to encourage my viewers to go ahead and journal about the book and get together with friends, read it, talk about it, do a craft when you get together with your friends, something related to the book. This is what me and my girlfriends do, and it is so much fun. So I try to make the craft kind of relate to the story itself there. So hopefully you read the book, and you will understand why keys are so important to the story. And to go along with that, I am making keychains. So you and your friends can get together. I just bought these kind of inexpensive bases for keychains off of Amazon. I can put the link in the description so you have it. And then I just pull out whatever beads and doodads I have sitting around. I'm actually using a very thin floral wire, so this should be like a 26 gauge, I believe. You can use a jewelry wire that's might be a little bit prettier, probably gold or silver, but that would work just as well too. But I'm simply just adding beads and beads to the wire and then kind of sewing it almost onto the keychain itself. So I'll loop it around the keychain and then fold the wire back into one of the beads, and that holds it in place. So I thought it would be fun to do a color to match the book. So I'm using all different shades of blues. I have a little bit of some turquoise and some green in there, just to kind of give it some depth. And then I really like the way that the kind of tan colored beads look too. Gives it a little bit of a sparkle. So to complete the keychain itself, it has a hook at the top so it can kind of dangle down, but it turned out super cute. You could probably use shells as well. If there's some that have like little holes in them, or you can add an extra little doodad that might dangle down. You can probably put artificial little keys on it too. Whatever you want. I guess sky's the limit, but the whole point is to get together with your friends, hang out, talk about the book, and do something fun. As I mentioned, I was trying to match the book with the blues, and I was having so much fun picking out different shades that I thought it'd be cute to do one in red, just kind of a contrast there. So I'm using all different reds and pinks. If you do this around Valentine's Day, there should be a lot of red stuff to choose from, and maybe like heart beads as well. And it's just simply working it onto the wire. I suppose you could use a thicker thread rather than a wire, but I feel like the wire is a little bit sturdier and a little bit easier to thread everything onto if you've got that thin gauge wire. And I'll try to find a link for that wire to Amazon. I'll put that with the keychain in the descriptions as well, just to try to make it easy. But of course, the beads you can get anywhere. The ones to the left of the screen there, I actually had forever. That's why there's so many different things in there. But the ones right in the middle, the smaller beads, I got it. Of course, my favorite store, Hobby Lobby. And then the ones on the right, I believe, were given to me. So I'm not quite sure where those had come from. But what's fun too is it gives you an opportunity to kind of go through your craft supplies and see what you can use up, and just get to share them with your friends. But once I have everything together there, I'm going to clip together my little keychain. That when I put the little beads at the top, the blue ones at the bottom. But there we go. I hope you had fun reading the book and hanging out with your friends, and please join me again. Thank you so much for watching.